सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा हमारे YouTube चैनल द जॉब बाइट को और साथ ही बेल आइकन प्रेस जरूर कीजिएगा।
क्वेश्चन 1, Why did you decide to become a teacher? ये क्वेश्चन बहुत कॉमनली पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है। ऑल्सो सभी के पास इसका एक कॉमन जवाब होता ही है, बिकॉज आई लव हेल्पिंग पीपल लर्न। सो ऑनेस्टली इंटरव्यू ये जवाब बहुत बार सुन चुका है, सो ये जवाब काम नहीं आएगा। आपको ऐसा जवाब देना है जो काफी जेन्युइन हो। It should be able to tell the exact motivation behind choosing this field। यानी आपका क्या इंस्पिरेशन था जिससे आपने ये फील्ड को चुना। बेसिकली आपका जवाब थॉटफुल, जेन्युइन और ऑनेस्ट होना चाहिए। इसमें अगर एक स्टोरी जुड़ जाए तो इम्पैक्ट काफी अलग हो जाता है। एग्जाम्पल आंसर, till my 10th grade I was a very average student, scored really bad in my exams. My parents gave up on me and I myself lost trust in me. My maths teacher then saw my weaknesses and started focusing more on me. She gave me some extra lectures and motivated me at every step. Surprisingly, I scored really well that year, and after that, I was always a better student. She made me understand that nothing was wrong with me. I just needed some special attention, which I got from her. Then I realized that I want to be a teacher so that I could change the lives of students like me and make them a better person. अगला क्वेश्चन है, Why do you want to teach at this school? ये क्वेश्चन भी काफी कॉमन क्वेश्चन है। इसमें सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन जवाब होता है बिकॉज योर स्कूल इज द बेस्ट, सो आई वांट टू वर्क इन द स्कूल। सो ये जवाब नहीं देंगे। हम इंटरव्यू को दिखाएंगे कि हमने काफी रिसर्च की है और उसके बाद हमने ये स्कूल को चुना है। आपके इंटरव्यू को ये ना लगे कि आपने सभी स्कूल्स में आपका रेज्यूमे दिया हुआ है। जस्ट आप वेट कर रहे हैं कि किस स्कूल से आपकी सिलेक्शन का कॉल आए और आप वही जॉब शुरू कर ले, चाहे वो कोई भी स्कूल क्यों ना हो। आपका अच्छा जवाब आपका एंथुसियाज्म, इनिशिएटिव और डेडिकेशन शो करता है। एग्जांपल आंसर, I have spent a lot of time researching schools and I am very impressed with what you offer here. This school has an excellent reputation for the quality of its teaching and the excellent behavior of its pupils. I would love to become a part of such a committed team and add my own strengths and experience to further strengthen the high quality experience that this school offers to its students. I know that this school is specially committed to promoting creative opportunities for children, and this is something that interests me personally. I look forward to assisting with these activities in school and helping young people to foster their interests in creative subjects. Also, your school has a teacher to student ratio that I think really allows for personalized education. Smaller classroom sizes like the ones you maintain here make it possible for me to give each child the one-on-one attention they deserve. On top of that, your after-school science program is really exciting to me, and I would hope, should I get hired here, that I might be able to become involved in that as well. Next question है, What can you bring to our school that makes you unique? Okay, so ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही अच्छा है। इसमें आप अपनी यूनिकनेस को हाईलाइट कर पाओगे। Honestly, I believe इसमें आपको अपना खुद का कुछ यूनिक क्वालिटी जरूर डालना चाहिए। इसका एक एग्जांपल आंसर है, I love to study and teach outside of the books. I believe that I can give this quality to my students also. It will help them in future. We would go on nature hikes, visit museums, and invite local scientists and biologists to come speak to us about what they are working on and their research. I believe learning is not only from textbooks, it is more from the outside world. And I believe this is my unique quality which I can give to my students as well. Question 4. What frustrates you the most in a classroom? इस सवाल से इंटरव्यूअर जानना चाहता है कि आप किस बात से फ्रस्ट्रेट हो सकते हो, किस बात से आपका कूल खो जाता है। अब इसमें आप ऐसा जवाब दो जो सभी टीचर के लिए कॉमन पॉइंट हो सकता है, यानी सभी टीचर्स फ्रस्ट्रेट हो सकते हैं। कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन जो काफी कॉमन हो। एग्जांपल आंसर, I have to admit, I get frustrated by the kids who think they are too cool for school and who float through their day doing as little as possible, and the teachers who play into that attitude. I turn that frustration into a challenge for both the students and myself. Most of the time, those kids are too cool because of the challenges they are facing outside of school, and their attitude is a way for them to protect themselves. Sometimes all they need is to know someone else believes in them. By giving them a little extra attention and encouragement, I have seen some of the coolest kids turn into students who are focused, driven, and ready to turn themselves. Question 5. What is your teaching philosophy? दोस्तों इस सवाल के लिए आई वुड से आपका जवाब बिल्कुल आपका खुद का हो, बिकॉज इसमें सभी का एक यूनिक जवाब होना चाहिए। तो इसके लिए कोई भी एक जवाब नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन इसमें एक एग्जांपल आंसर है जो मैं आपको बताऊंगा, बट हाँ आप इसे एग्जैक्टली मत बताना। इसी जवाब में आप अपना खुद का कुछ इनपुट ऐड करने के बाद जवाब देना। एग्जांपल आंसर, I believe that the best learning opportunities are the ones that the students come up with themselves. For that reason, I spend every lunch hour on the playground with my students and make myself available for them to ask me the playground pop quiz questions. Basically, we discuss everything we learn in textbooks. I love challenging the students to try to stump me, and as a result, they go out of their way to explore the environment around them, making learning fun and exciting. तो दोस्तों आज के लिए बस इतना ही। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो सही लगे तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट में मुझे बताएं कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी। मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए ध्यान रखें। द जॉब बाइट साइनिंग ऑफ।